Hey guys, Greg here. We're going to do an install real quick on that new ToyTagz that we've got now on our website. Of course, this is going to be offered in a custom format. Whatever you want to put on there, we're going to have a text box, of course, that you can put in there what you want to do. If you're watching this video, you probably already have this, so you've got your custom ToyTagz. We're going to go ahead and install one of these on our Jeep and another on the Bronco because we can, and we have one of each, and just to show you, make sure we get this done right. So, really easy install. I'm hoping we're going to have some alcohol pads in before we get these in, because you really aren't going to need a lot. These are super easy to do. As you can see, this one has already been put together, but you're going to have that 3M VHB on the bottom, and then you flip that over. Same thing on the back. You're going to peel back one side, peel that right on there. So again, that inside one comes off first. We're going to put those two together. And then this piece, you peel this off, and this goes inside the window and window frame, wherever you want to put that. There really is no right or wrong to where this is going to go. So we're going to show you a few different options. But again, just some of that alcohol to clean that surface, and of course, you know, a towel to dry it. Everything else is going to be done by hand. Super easy to do. So let's go ahead and get over to, we'll do the Jeep first. And again, we've done this several times. There's no wrong place to put it. As long as it's a smooth surface, I wouldn't put it on anything that's too textured. Like maybe this may not stick that well, but I know like on the Bronco top, it's a little bit of a textured surface, so we haven't had any issues on that. Of course, the Jeep top, whether you have the black textured or the painted, they will stick. But again, I prefer to put this right up in here. So it's gonna sit right like that. It's a little tricky. You wanna make sure you get that stitching showing just so it looks a little more authentic as a tag. So, and then just be careful when you open the glass. And again, I'm just showing you an option to put it. You can also put it, you know, in the door frame, anywhere that you're gonna have a good clean tack. This stuff is super sticky. I did this on the side of the Gladiator, if you can see over there, in the window frame, and drove, you know, back. I've been driving that for a while now, and no issues. So let's go ahead and do this. Peel back here real quick, and then we'll clean that window frame. But again, you're going to peel back that VHP tape, that 3M super sticky tape. We're going to line that right up, tack that down, just give a good tack there. And again, if we know where we're going to put that, assuming about right here, you can go low with it. You can do right side, you can do left side. But I do want that to be on the car, not on the glass. I mean, I guess you could, but again, the bottom side of that, you're gonna be hitting. You want this on the inside, so you're gonna have a little bit. You're probably gonna be right about here. So again, let's just do a quick wipe down on that. And again, this is just alcohol, a little water mixed in there. But if you do the prep pad, it'll be a little bit stronger. But again, we just want to make sure it's clean. And then we're gonna peel back that tape. And we first started doing these at Jeep Invasion last August. And so I can kind of use that stitching as my guide and bring that adhesive right to that edge there. Oh my God, you can already see it's already started to tack. Let's just make sure you know where you want it. I think we're good on that. I'm a little bit high on that one side. Hold on. And if you want to pull this back up, kind of pull at an angle just so it doesn't come off clean. There we go. So once you have it where you want it, give it a good solid push on there. And the trick to this is making sure you kind of hold this back when you close the glass. I got this caught in the glass one time, and it's not going to kill it. It'll just kind of pinch it in there, but definitely want to keep that like that. There you go. And boom, voila, it's that easy. This is a simple peel and stick. And again, this can go anywhere, right side, left side, just has to be on a smooth surface. We'll go ahead and show you what that looks like, or how that install goes on that Bronco. We also did one on the Bronco on the roll bar. Again, that does have the top off quite a bit. I thought it looked really cool. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this. But we did this one here. And obviously from the outside, it was really easy to see, fit perfect on there. But we're going to put this one in that same spot right here we did in that Jeep, just to show you how well that sticks on there. And let me go ahead and get our custom tag. Your text. And again, these are totally customizable. So we did this so you would know, yes, just type in what you want on that box. We have recreated that Lego style font. And just depending on, as long as it's not too long, these work out pretty well. If it's got a lot of text, it's just a little bit shorter. The 4-letter words, 4 or 5 letters, we go a little bit taller with that. And let me go ahead and clean this one, this side. And if you want to give a little heat with that, that's not going to hurt. But again, outside in the sun, this is going to tack just fine. So there we go. This is my solution to not writing up instructions for you on that product. Just again, a good firm. Just remember to pull that back. Again, that one's got some angle on it, so that one worked out great. So there you go. Really simple. Let us know how you like these new ToyTagz. See you next time.